In this presentation, I'm going to provide you with the 3 steps you need to take to be more successful on YouTube. With 1 billion users and over 300 hours of content uploaded every minute, YouTube is an incredibly powerful tool for any business. If you can understand the platform, you'll be rewarded handsomely through increased brand awareness and sales. To be effective and become successful on YouTube, you need to follow these 3 steps. Number 1, define your choice. You need to carve out your niche and ask yourself what it is you want people to understand about your business. You won't be successful if you merely mimic what's already been successful. You can't be afraid to be completely different or put your own spin on formats that already exist. Whether you decide to do something entirely new or using a traditional format, it is essential that you approach it with a unique voice. Step number 2, develop your content strategy. One of the biggest mistakes that you can make when you consider your content for YouTube is that a viral video is the only YouTube strategy that is effective. Successful brands know that to grow their channels, they need to create new content continuously. You have to have structure and a solid strategy behind your YouTube content, or else your channel will be nothing more than a place to dump videos. Step number 3, collaborate with the community. Creators that had no budget started a majority of the most subscribed to channels on YouTube. They become successful on the platform because they were forced to focus on building relationships with their viewers and other channels. If you want to make the most out of YouTube, then you have to think like a creator and grow your channel through collaborations. Search for other YouTube channels that are relevant to your target audience and topic and start a conversation with them. Building your YouTube channel may seem a bit daunting, but if you follow these 3 steps, you'll grow your channel quickly. When you show up week after week and provide your viewers with high-quality, consistent content, you'll find success in no time.